Hello, this is Trant, and in this video I'll be going over some of the custom well planning features that I haven't covered in the other videos. If you go to the well plan and survey tool, I'm going to use target number 3, update target. I've got a 6500 TVD and a northeast offset of 800. I'm going to create a new curve here. I'm going to call this curve custom, and I'm just going to tie in at the surface, enter data. So you can see I'm tied in at 0 TVD, north and east offsets. I'm going to go to the planning tab now. In the planning tab, I'm going to click use current target, and that's going to bring the target down into the yellow boxes for planning purposes. Right now I'm at the surface. If I want to add a custom build of say 0, 0 for 1500 feet, I can project with build, and it's going to add a course length of 1500 with no build rate. Now if I'd like to add another build of 5 with a turn of 5 for another 15, let's make this at 500 feet. Project with build. Now I've got a build of 5, a turn of 5 for a course length of 500 feet added to my well plan. I'm now at 25 degrees inclination, an azimuth of 70. I don't want to be there, so I'm going to delete that point. That's how you use this portion of the planning software. You can also use dogleg and toolface. It's more common to use the build rate and turn rate though. I've already covered S wells on the tab down here, so I won't cover it again. You can use build to land. You can land inclination, azimuth, or you can use a custom build rate and turn rate in order to hit the target. You need to make sure that you converge here. You can create a situation where you don't converge using this part of the software, so it needs to be a reasonable guess. In this case, I did converge whenever I put in a 20 degrees inclination. I hit my target at 0. My distance from target and the plan is 0. My inclination is 20. My azimuth is 45. Now if I wanted to have a build rate of 0.5, again, I hit my target. Distance is 0. I am at 22.88 and 45 degrees azimuth, 6500, 800, 800, and I did it using a 0.5 build. So you can use this. It's very similar to using the slant S well. The other tab here, build to angle, this is one I use more commonly. This is something that, say I wanted to build to a 50-degree angle at a build rate of 15. Calculate builds. That's going to tell me where I'm going to be at 50 degrees using a 15-degree per 100 build rate. You can do this with azimuth, but you'll need to add a turn in there. You can also do this with MD, a formation top. Let's say I want to hit 2000 TVD using a 15-degree build rate. What angle am I going to be at? This tells you what guess I'm going to be at. In this case, it's not pushing up my inclination, but it is going to 2700 because I'm at 0, so it doesn't require any build in order to hit that TVD. I can do the same thing with the north and east whenever I'm out in a horizontal section as well. You can also use dog legs and toolface if required. For 3D builds, I covered those in another video, so I won't go over them again here. This is a very important piece of the software to learn and understand though. And then last but not least is the Ouija. This one is the one that you can use to make guesses and see where you're going to be. So let me input some numbers here. First thing I'm going to do is click update projections. I'm going to change this to angles because I like working with those better. Second inclination is going to be 50. Azimuth is going to be 30. Dog leg is going to be 15. Let's see what happens there. So if I was going to try and hit an inclination of 50, an azimuth of 30, using a dog leg of 15, that's going to give me a walk rate of minus 4.5, a build rate of 15, and it's going to put me in this location, 1792, 118, 68. So you can use the Ouija board to make guesses to see where you're going to be if certain things happen. This covers some of the more basic well planning functions that haven't been covered in the other videos. Again, this is Eric Trant. If you have any more questions about the well planning features, please call me at 214-250-6854. Thank you.